Okay, I'm back with some more graphing of inequalities. So I have a problem here very similar to y equals mx plus b. I've done a few of these already. So when we're looking at graphing an inequality, we do start off the same way we would start off with a equation. Right? So we would do y equals mx plus b, follow the same steps. Start with our y-intercept, -5. So we're going to go down to -5. We're going to put ourselves a dot right down here at -5. Oop, not -4. Made a mistake there. Looking for my eraser. All right, so I'll put a -5 right there. Now I'm going to use that slope, 3/5. I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I go any more, I'm going to end up off this line or off the graph. If I go anyway this way, I'm also going to do that same thing. So I'm done. Now I have to look at this right here. There is a line underneath the inequality. That means that it's going to be a solid line. We're going to keep all of this connected. So we're going to connect it just like we would a regular equation. It's linear. The only thing we have to do differently now is the shading part. This is where it becomes really important that you do this accurately, because obviously my graph is not 100% accurate because I'm not using a ruler. But if I was trying to find points that work and meet the requirements for this, I need to be accurate with this. So if I'm looking at this, I see that y is less than or equal to the other side. So anytime it says y is less than, what we are going to do is we are going to shade below the line that we've made, which in this case would be down here in this small little section. So this is going to be my shaded area. And again, if you're not really sure about that and you don't remember, you can always pick a test point. I always try to pick 0, 0. Test that point. This is the point we're going to talk about, 0, 0. Don't pick a point that's on the line. Never pick a point on the line. Always pick one on one side of the line or the other, because that tells you which side to shade on. If I plug in that point 0, 0, plug in the x-coordinate with 0 and the y-coordinate with 0, and see what happens with your answer. If it's true, then you shade that side. If it's not true, you shade the opposite side. So this is the side we're talking about right up here. If I just do this, 3/5 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is -5. So you have 0 is less than or equal to -5. That is a false statement. So if I have a point that's up here and it's false, I'm shading the opposite side here. So now I'm going to show you kind of quickly how you would do this on the graph. So we have y, and this is with Desmos. So I'm going to go down to the little keyboard button here, and I'm going to hit, this is y is less than or equal to, so I'm going to hit that button. As you can see, there it is right there. 3 divided by 5. Then we're going to use the arrow key to move this over, and then we're going to put x minus 5. So as you can see, I'm going to just kind of zoom it over here so you can kind of see this a little bit better. But as you can see, there's a solid line, so that helps me tell that side. And then it shows me where it's shaded in. If you'd like more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, You Want Algebra. Check these out under the Graphing Inequalities section.